if I told you there's an animal whose heart you can see?
While it's still alive, you'd probably think it's not real. But it is. This is a glass frog, and its body is almost completely transparent. In some species, you can actually see its heart beating, its organs, even parts of its skeleton. It's one of the few animals where the inside is visible from the outside. Glass frogs live in the rainforests of Central and South America, usually near rivers and streams. From above, they look like small green frogs resting on leaves. But underneath, everything changes. Their transparency isn't just unusual. It's actually a survival advantage. From below, their bodies don't cast strong shadows, which makes them much harder for predators to notice. So what looks strange at first is actually a very effective way to stay hidden. There's also something interesting about how they behave. Male glass frogs often stay with their eggs, guarding them from insects and threats until they hatch. It's a level of care you don't always see in amphibians. Now you might be wondering, can something like this be kept as a pet? Technically yes, but it's not simple. They need very specific conditions like high humidity, clean water, and a carefully controlled environment. Because of that, they're usually kept only by experienced keepers. And depending on the species, they can cost anywhere from around $100 to several $100s. But even then, they're not common in captivity, partly because they're delicate and partly because they're best suited to their natural environment. So what looks like a fragile, almost unreal creature is actually perfectly adapted to where it lives. And the more you look at it, the more it feels like something that shouldn't be possible. What do you think? Does this feel like a real animal or something completely different?